Now we are doing a problem based on moment of force, where the forces are acting at different points. They do not act along the same line of a body. So if you have a rectangular lamina, something like this is a cuboidal structure, but consider it to be a rectangular shaped object which is pivoted something like this. There is a force of 6 Newton acting like this, there is a force of 6 Newton acting like this, and there is a force of 5 Newton acting somewhere over here. Now these forces are acting from different points. We have to find out which of the forces will cause the maximum torque, or we have to find out the value of the maximum torque. The question can be framed in any manner. 4 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter and 3 meter. Now it's a rectangular lamina, so these are all perpendicular distances. Alright, so let us try to calculate. Let us call this, consider this 6 Newton. So torque due to the first 6 Newton is, let us first draw the line of action. The line of action's perpendicular distance has to be taken. But here, since it's a regular shaped object, let us do it without drawing the line of action. But this is your line of action. Distance of the line of action from this pivot, it is indeed 4 meter. So torque will be force into distance, that is 6 Newton into 4 meter, that is 24 Newton meter. Torque due to the other 6 Newton, which is this. Now this is critical. Here you have to draw the line of action. This is your line of action. It is passing right over the pivot. So the distance between this pivot and the line of action, they are coincidental. So that means even this is F into D. This will be 6 Newton into what is the perpendicular distance between the pivot and the line of action? What is it? It's 0. Right over this. So there is no perpendicular distance between the pivot and the line of action. So it's 0 meter. 0 meter into 6 Newton, that will be 0 Newton meter. Ineffective force for causing rotational motion. Force is definitely working, but it will not cause any rotational motion. The torque due to 5 Newton force, that will be again F into D. That will be 5 Newton into, let us see the distance, very easy to calculate. This is the line of action. This is the perpendicular distance, which is 3 meter. So it will be 15 Newton meter. So the maximum torque is experienced due to the 6 Newton force, which is acting like this. This force is causing the maximum torque. What is the magnitude of the torque? 24 Newton meter. What will be the direction of the torque? This will try to tilt the body in this manner, which is clockwise. It moves clockwise. So it will be, either you can write it as minus 24 Newton meter if you follow convention, or you can write 24 Newton meter clockwise.